Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a passport size photo in Microsoft Word. Need a passport size photo but don't have Photoshop? I'll show you how to make one in Microsoft easily. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to insert and resize the image. And to do that, just open Microsoft Word and then create a blank document. After that, click on the insert option and select pictures from here. You can choose where you want to insert the picture from. You can use this device, stock images or online pictures. For example, I'm going to use this device and I'm going to search for a picture. Now the second thing is to click on the image and go to picture formats. You just have to select the page and you will be automatically directed to picture format section, as you can see here. Now here we're gonna go to the size options. As you can see here, you can crop and you can dimension your image. The second step is to set passport size dimension. For standard passport size, set width to 2 inches and height to 2 inches. Let's crop this picture. So basically it has to be a square, almost a square. Let's see if this is here. We're gonna crop it again so it becomes a square. Let's crop it almost a square. Now if you want a picture for a standard passport size, you're gonna have to select the 2 inches in width and 2 inches in height and ensure a 300 dpi resolution for a clear printing. Third step is to adjust background and borders, and to do that, use remove background under picture format if needed. Let's see here, back to picture format, and you can click on the option to remove background. It will automatically remove a background. As for this picture, it didn't work well because it doesn't have like a picture of a person. But if you have a personal picture of your face, it will only isolate your face. And after that, after you remove the background and the picture formats, add a thin border for a professional look. As for the fourth step is to arrange multiple photos and print. Copy and paste the image multiple times for a print ready format and save as a PDF for easy printing. For additional tips, use a white or light background for official photos, and for multiple passport photos, arrange them in a table format. And that's how you create a passport size photos in Word. Resize, adjust and print them quickly. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.